Hey there, busy mamas. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of online side hustles? I've got some amazing news for you. You don't need money, experience, or special skills to start earning online in 2025. That's right, you heard me. Today I'm going to share with you 5 AI side hustles you can start with absolutely $0. No experience? No problem. I'm a mompreneur just like you, and I'm here to show you some beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI. Trust me, if I can do it, you can too. Let's kick things off with our first hustle, AI content creation. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a writer. Well, guess what? You don't have to be. With tools like ChatGapt, you can create blogs, social media captions, or even product descriptions in no time. Businesses are always looking for ways to save time, and they're willing to pay for quality content. Start small by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can create simple packages to get your foot in the door. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Moving on to hustle number 2, AI printables and templates. This one's perfect for all you creative mamas out there. Using Canva and AI, you can design beautiful planners, journals, and templates. The best part, you can sell these on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Once you upload your designs, they can keep earning for you passively. It's like having a little digital shop that's open 24/7, even when you're busy with soccer practice or bedtime stories. Now let's talk about hustle number 3, YouTube automation with AI. I know what you're thinking, me on YouTube? But here's the secret, you don't even have to show your face. AI can help you create scripts, generate voiceovers, and even find stock footage for your videos. You can start faceless channels in popular niches like motivation, finance, or tech. Once your channel grows, you can monetize with ads and affiliate links. It's a great way to build an audience while you sleep. Hustle number 4 is perfect for all you social butterflies. AI social media management. With tools like ChatGapt or Notion AI, you can create content calendars and captions in a snap. Small businesses are always looking for help with their social media, and you could be their solution. Offer your services for $1 or $3 per month. With just a few clients, you could have a nice recurring income, and the best part, you can do it all from your phone while waiting in the school pickup line. Last but not least, we have AI translation and transcription. If you speak more than one language, this one's for you. But even if you don't, AI has got your back. Use tools like DeepL and ChatGapt for translations and Whisper for transcription services. You can offer these services to YouTubers, podcasters, or businesses who need help reaching a wider audience. It's a great way to flex those language muscles and earn some extra cash. Now, I know I've thrown a lot at you, but don't feel overwhelmed. You've got this, mama. Let's do a quick recap of our 5 AI side hustles. AI content creation, AI printables and templates, YouTube automation with AI, AI social media management, and AI translation and transcription. Remember, you don't have to tackle all of these at once. Start with just one that speaks to you and give it a try. Here is your challenge for today. Pick one side hustle from this list and start testing it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you don't have to have it all figured out. The most important thing is to take that first step. Who knows? This could be the beginning of your own mompreneur success story. Before I let you go, I want you to know that I believe in you. You're already a superhero to your kids, and now it's time to be your own boss too. The world of AI side hustles is waiting for amazing moms like you to jump in and make your mark. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so don't be afraid to start small and learn as you go. If you found this video helpful and want more AI side hustle ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and motivation to help you on your journey to online success. And hey, why not leave a comment below and let me know which side hustle you are going to try first. I'd love to cheer you on. So, are you ready to take that first step towards your online income goals? Of course you are. You're a mom, after all. You can do anything you set your mind to. Go out there and show the world what you're made of. I can't wait to see what amazing things you'll accomplish. Until next time, keep hustling, keep smiling, and remember, you've got this, mama.